Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AZRAI Putra bin Muhammad Nazri. My metric number is 08DEP22F1123. Now, introduction to trigonometry. As per its definition, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationships between angle and length of triangle. Tri mean 3. These 3rd century astronomers were the first people who study the relationship between angle and length of a triangle. All their findings later on became known as trigonometry function.
My name is Muhammad NAUFAL bin ZULHAIRY. My metric numbers are 08DEP22F1051. Trigonometry. Trigonometry, the branch of mathematics concerned with specific functions of angles and their application to calculations. There are 6 functions of an angle commonly used in trigonometry. Their names and abbreviations are sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant.
Hi, my name is Muhammad FARHAN bin Muhammad TARMIZI. My matrix number is 08DP22F1050. More about trigonometry. For example, the triangle contains an angle A, and the ratio of the side opposite to A and the side opposite to the right angle, the hypotenuse, is called the sine of A or sin A. The other trigonometry functions are defined similarly. These functions are properties of the angle A independent of the size of the triangle, and calculated values were tabulated for many angles before computers made trigonometry tables obsolete. Sin theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cos theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. Cosecant theta equals to hypotenuse over opposite. Secant theta equals to hypotenuse over adjacent. Cotangent theta equals to adjacent over opposite.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is NURISH EILIYIIN Muhammad FAIZAL. My metric number is 08DP221131. What is architecture? Architecture, the art and technique of designing building, as distinguished from the skill associated with construction. The practice of architecture is employed to fulfill both practical and expressive requirements, and does it serve both utilitarian and aesthetic ends.
Is there trigonometry in architecture? If we talk about trigonometry in architecture, it is everywhere. Trigonometry functions are what helps in drawing angles, calculating precision measurements, and determining the heights of the structures. Recall that architects are not only responsible for designing mathematical representations of a designer's plan, but they also have to ensure that a building is functional and safe. Further, sine and cosine functions in trigonometry help architects understand and calculate forces and loads. With the help of tangents in trigonometry, architects determine the budget plan for the project's whole construction.
Now, how can we use trigonometry in architecture? Trigonometry can be used to measure the height of the building. If you know the distance from where you observe the building and the angle of elevation, you can easily find the height of the building. Similarly, if you have the value of one side and the angle of depression from the top of the building, you can find another side in the triangle. All you need to know is one side of angle of the triangle. And then there are many other uses of trigonometry in architecture, such as measuring field lots and areas, making wall parallel and perpendicular, installing ceramic tile, roof inclination, the height of the building.
Example question. From the top of a fire tower, a forest ranger sees his partner on the ground at an angle of depression of 40 degrees. If the tower is 45 feet in height, how far is the partner from the base of the tower to the nearest stand of a foot. As we can see in the diagram, the forest ranger is looking at his friend at 40 degrees angle from the fire tower. There's also stated the height of the tower, which is 45 feet. The question is to find the x value, so in this case the solution will use alternate interior angles from the parallel horizontal lines. So place 40 degrees inside the triangle by the partner, bottom right. The solution deals with opposite and adjacent, making it a tangent problem. The equation is tan 40 degrees equals to 45 over x. 0.839 equals to 45 over x. So the x will be equals to 53.6.
Second question. Here, AB represent height of the building, BC represent distance of the building from the point of observation. In the right triangle ABC, the side which is opposite to angle 60 degree is known as opposite side AB. The side which is opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse side AC, and remaining side is called adjacent side BC. Now we need to find the length of the side AB. Now solution: tan theta equal to opposite side over adjacent side. Tan 60 degree equal to AB divide BC. Tan 60 degree will be sec 3, and then sec 3 equal to AB over 100. Sec 3 times 100 equal AB. The value of sec 3 is 1.732. 100 AB equal to 100 times 1.732. AB will be 173.2 meter. So the height of the building is 173.2 meter.
Conclusion. As per its definition, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationship between length and angle of trigonometry. The practice of architecture is employed to fulfill both practical and expressive requirements, and thus it serves both utilitarian and aesthetic ends. Trigonometry functions are to help in drawing angle, calculating pressure measurement, and determining the height of structure. Recall that architects are not only responsible for mathematical representation of a designer plan, but they also have to ensure that a building functions and safe. Further, sign and constant function in trigonometry help architecture understand and calculate faults and loads. With the help of tangent in trigonometry, architecture determines the budget plan for the project whole construction. Thank you.